There's a very specific trap almost everyone falls into when they search for how to get Perplexity Pro for free. They find a guide, it lists 10 different ways to claim a free year, they get excited, click the first link, and discover the offer expired months ago. Then they try the next one. Same result. Then another. By the fourth dead link, most people give up and assume free Perplexity Pro was never actually available. The reality is very different. There are still legitimate ways to get Perplexity Pro for free, or at least significantly reduce the cost. The problem isn't that the offers disappeared. It's that most guides covering Perplexity AI were published months ago, while these promotions change constantly, depending on your country, the partner company, and the promotion period. Instead of giving you another list that may already be outdated by next month, this video will show you the categories of offers that consistently exist, which ones tend to stick around long-term, and the fastest way to check what's available for your own account in less than 30 seconds. Before we get started, if you enjoy straightforward breakdowns of AI tools without the outdated information, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to cover next. First, let's establish what you're actually getting with Perplexity Pro, because understanding the difference makes it much easier to decide whether it's worth looking for a free upgrade. The free version of Perplexity AI gives you a limited number of premium quality searches each day before switching back to the standard experience. It also comes with more restrictive file uploads and fewer advanced features. Perplexity Pro, on the other hand, removes many of those daily limitations, gives you access to multiple leading AI models that you can choose between manually, provides more citations, unlocks image generation, expands file handling, and enables much deeper research workflows. For anyone who uses AI regularly, it's a meaningful upgrade. Now let's look at the legitimate ways people can still access Perplexity Pro without paying full price. The first option is one of the most reliable because it isn't based on a short-term promotion. If you work for an eligible government organization, Perplexity offers a dedicated government program that provides Perplexity Pro through verified government email addresses. Eligible users also receive enhanced privacy protections, including zero data retention for supported accounts, making this especially valuable for work involving sensitive information. The second option is the education program. Verified students and educators can usually access an ongoing educational discount, often combined with promotional free trial periods for new users. Depending on when you apply, referral promotions may also provide additional free months, although those referral campaigns change regularly and sometimes disappear without much notice. The important thing to remember is that the educational discount is generally much more stable than temporary referral bonuses, making it worth checking even if older articles mention promotions that have already expired. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes. They spend hours searching Google for partner lists instead of checking the companies they're already using. Perplexity regularly partners with mobile carriers, internet providers, payment platforms, hardware manufacturers, and other technology companies to include Perplexity Pro as part of existing products or subscriptions. The specific partners change throughout the year and vary by country, so memorizing today's list isn't nearly as useful as knowing where to check. Here's the fastest way. Start with the subscriptions and services you already pay for. Open your carrier app, internet provider portal, payment app, or rewards dashboard, and look for promotions or member benefits.
Many partnership offers appear there long before people start writing blog posts about them. Next, if you're a student or educator, visit the official Perplexity Education Verification page directly. The verification process usually takes only a few minutes and immediately shows the offers currently available for your account, instead of relying on outdated screenshots or articles. If you work for a qualifying government agency, simply register using your official work email address. If your organization is eligible, the appropriate benefits are typically applied automatically. One more place that's surprisingly easy to overlook is your recent hardware purchases. If you've recently bought a new smartphone, laptop, smart TV, or other eligible device, check the manufacturer's apps and included promotional benefits. Some companies bundle Perplexity Pro trials with new devices, and many people never realize those offers are already available to them. Now, one important warning. Since demand for Perplexity Pro has grown, you'll find websites claiming to sell discounted accounts, shared subscriptions, invite codes, or unofficial methods that supposedly unlock premium access. Be extremely cautious. None of the legitimate options require giving your account password to someone else, downloading unofficial software, or paying strangers for shared accounts. If a website asks you to do any of those things, treat it as a major warning sign and leave immediately. There's one more thing that's worth understanding because it affects many promotions. Most partnership offers are designed for new subscribers. If you've already paid for Perplexity Pro in the past, some promotional offers may no longer apply to that same account. If you're planning to claim a free trial, it's worth checking the eligibility requirements before activating a smaller offer that could prevent you from using a better one later. So what's the best approach today? If you qualify for the government program, start there, because it's one of the most stable long-term options available. If you're a student or educator, check the official education program and claim any current discounts or promotional trials available for your account. After that, review your existing subscriptions, rewards programs, and recently purchased devices before spending any money. You may already qualify for a promotion without realizing it. And no matter what, always verify offers through Perplexity's official pages instead of relying on old videos or articles. Promotions change regularly, but the official website will always show what's actually available today. If this video saved you from wasting time on expired offers and helped you find the options that still work, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI guides, and I'll see you in the next one.